Welcome again to New Parents in Training. Today's episode, I'm going to show you 4 different ways on how to clean your fruits and vegetables. So let's get to it. The first option is, of course, water. It is readily available. It does the minimum. It can really remove the visible wax, but it's better than not washing the produce or fruits. The water we're using today is coming from our APEC 6-stage reverse osmosis system. The second option is baking soda. It is cheap. A 1-pound box usually costs under $1 at any supermarket near you, or you can also buy it a 5-pound from Amazon for $3.88. However, if you want to clean it well, you need to scrub the produce and fruits with a brush, which is not suitable for fruits with soft skins. The third option is Trader Joe's Fruit and Vegetable Wash. It works really well to get rid of the wax. 1 bottle can use for a really long time since you only need a few drops for every wash. Also, its ingredients are derived from natural cleansing agents such as coconut oil and corn oil. However, it's a bit pricier than baking soda or water alone. It costs about $3.99 at Trader Joe's. If there is a Trader Joe near you, then you can pick one up. Otherwise, you can buy it on Amazon as well. And the fourth option is the Veggie Wash. It also works really well to get rid of the wax. A couple spray on the food and you can visibly see the dirt coming off. You can buy it on Amazon, which means you can get it anywhere in the US, and faster shipping if you have Amazon Prime. It's the priciest of the 4 options. It costs $4.69 per bottle through Amazon and can also be found in Whole Foods for $5.99. All the prices mentioned in this video are based at the time of filming. Alrighty, I have set up 4 bowls of grapes for this demonstration. I'll be washing the grapes with water, as you see there on the left hand corner, which is filtered water. On the right, we have the Veggie Wash. I'll also be washing it with fruit and vegetable wash from Trader Joe's. And last but not least, we'll be using the baking soda. Produce may be contaminated by animals, harmful substances in the soil or water, and poor hygiene among workers. After produce is harvested, it passes through many hands, increasing the contamination risk. When preparing fresh produce, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds with soap and warm water before and after preparation. According to the FDA, they recommend to gently rub produce while holding under plain running water, like this. They do not recommend any need to use soap or a produce wash. Cleaning the grapes with plain water will make a difference, but adding baking soda to the water works better. According to new research in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, found that soaking apples in a mix of water and baking soda for up to 15 minutes helps remove upwards of 80% of certain pesticides. Baking soda has a high pH, which helps the pesticides to degrade. We are going to soak the bowl with water with 1% normal baking soda stir in. So that is about 1 teaspoon of baking soda in 2 cups of water. Then we're going to stir it in. And now we're going to be soaking the grapes. And we'll leave it for about 15 minutes. We recently found a fruit and vegetable wash from Trader Joe's. The label does say that it's formulated to remove waxes, pesticides, and chemicals, and that it's a non-toxic formula. So the ingredients, as you can see at the bottom, it contains purified water, natural cleansing agents derived from coconut oil and corn oil, grapefruit seed extract, and lemon orange extract. So as part of this demonstration, we're going to try to do the direct application because it's a few quantities of products. However, if there is large quantities of fruits and vegetables, do the bulk washing, which is a mix of 1 tablespoon per 32 ounces of water, and switch up to 30 seconds and then rinse. So in this demonstration, we're just going to be using direct application by applying a few drops onto the grapes and then massage it for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, then you can rinse it thoroughly with water. Now, fourth method to wash your produce is through the Veggie Wash. The label states that this product is laboratory tested and proven to remove unwanted residues such as wax, soil, and agricultural chemicals. The ingredients listed are here, which is water, potassium oleic, glycerin, desylglycoside, natural citrus oil, orange peel oil, sunflower seed oil, rosemary leaf extract, and potassium sorbate. The instructions are here, which is to generally spray with Veggie Wash for those firm produce such as tomatoes and grapes, and rub for 30 seconds and then rinse thoroughly with water. For leafy vegetables and soft product, you will dilute about 1/4 of a cup into a large bowl of water to soak and then switch up to 30 seconds and then rinse. As part of this demonstration, I will spray directly to the grapes and rub for 30 seconds and then rinse with water. We have our unwashed grapes here to compare our clean grapes. You might wonder, what is this waxy white stuff? That is called bloom, produced by the grapes to prevent moisture loss and is completely safe to eat. However, these unwashed grapes may be exposed to pesticides and bacteria, so they need to be washed before consuming. Our first demonstration was to wash these grapes with running water, and our second demonstration was soaking these grapes with baking soda and water. Both sets of grapes look cleaner than the unwashed grapes. For those who love bloom-free and sparkling clean produce, we do recommend the Veggie Wash or the Trader Joe's Fruit and Vegetable Wash, as we see less evidence of wax on these grapes. The links to the products are in the description down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.